Alright, good evening, geology class. This is Clyde Kelly making his week 13 geology video. Guess I'm going to have a little trouble making this one a 4-minute video, but we're going to try our best here, alright? So, for tonight, we're supposed to make it on our experiment we're doing next week, and kind of the planning that's going into that. So, I'm going to explain that here coming up. So, give a summary of your discharge experiment plan. So, this actually comes at a really nice time, this experiment that we're supposed to do. So next weekend is opening day of trout season, April 24th. So I'm heading up to my grandpa's cabin up near Newaygo County. We're gonna go trout fishing up there. It's up on the Freeman Creek, which is not too big of a creek, not too small of a creek, basically perfect for this experiment that we're gonna do. Just head up there with a tape measure, a yardstick, some marshmallows or a bobber. We're gonna have tons of those sitting around fishing and everything, and do our experiment there. So I guess move on to the next question here. Which variables will you change and how? So there's two different parts of the stream I'm looking at that we're going to use here. Now, I can't really go there to do a trial run or anything like that. I'll do it while I'm up there. But, let's see, I can't really turn a camera around on this thing while I'm videotaping. But I'll try to do my best here. So right here, if I'm doing this right. Okay, yeah, you can see his cabin, right? Yeah, you can see the cabin. There's this little thing going across there. That's a bridge. My finger's right on it right now. A little bridge he built. Right down the creek from there, down the creek from the bridge. It's a nice straight spot, kind of shallow creek. It's wide. That's going to be one area where I'm going to test it, okay? Going up the creek a ways, it gets a little deeper and skinnier. So we're going to change the depth and the width of the creek, change some variables around that way, and see what that does there. So which variables change response? Width and depth of the water we're measuring. Variables will be fixed. I guess the amount of water coming out the creek, that will be a fixed variable, because that's not really going to change. Yeah, I don't see any way that could change. We're not going that far up the creek that there's a significant amount of springs or whatever going into it to change things, so we should be good there. Can't show a trial run because it's all the way up in Newaygo. I guess I can upload a little trial run next week. If you guys want to see that, I'll do that for you. But I can't do that now. Sorry. Apologize. Describe any trouble you're having or things you're unsure of. Okay, weather could be a thing. If it's raining, that might make things a little bit difficult. I don't really want to get my phone wet while I'm videotaping. Creek might be a little higher than anticipated. That could cause trouble. I hope not. It could, though. It's a possibility. It could cause trouble. Trouble things you're unsure of. Yeah, so basically weather. I'd say weather's the big thing when you're outside like this. And it's supposed to be raining coming up. So, next question, show pictures and figures to help you explain. Well, I just did that for you guys. Showed you a little Google Map picture. Hopefully, you guys got the general gist of what I'm going to be doing. If not, then I'm sorry. Rewatch the video and see if you can figure it out. Basically, there's a bridge down from there, shallow and wide creek. That's going to be my first experiment area. Change variables, go up the creek a ways where it's a little skinnier and deeper, which is probably where I'm actually going to be fishing because there's more fish in the deep spots. But anyway, I digress. That's got off topic there. That's my experiment. That's what I'm going to be doing. So you guys have a good week. Goodbye.